OpenBuildings Designer is a great BIM authoring tool which makes it easy to add various types of properties to our models. But what if you would like to further enhance our model by adding other types of files? Well, OpenBuildings Designer also gives us the option to link external files to elements in our model. Let's have a look at how this works. All we have to do is right-click on an element, such as this air handling unit, and select Add Link. We may choose the type of link we would like to add, such as From File, Key In, or a URL. We select From File, and then we may choose the file which we would like to link to. I will be choosing this air handling unit product data sheet, and then clicking OK to link to it. We can now see a small icon which lets us know that we have linked a PDF to this element. If we hover over the icon, we can open the link, edit the link, or remove it. If we select the Open Link option, the linked PDF document opens automatically. We also have the possibility to link images to our model. The process is similar. We select the element and then the image we would like to add. Once it's added, we can see a preview of the image when we hover over the icon. It is good practice to use the Links tab in the File Explorer to group and organize links in our file. We may create a new link set and give it an appropriate name. Next, we may create a new link and specify a file, such as this diffuser installation guide. We may now select the document and add it to specified elements in the model. Again, we may use the icons to open up the linked documents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. If you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to this and Bentley's other channels. Thank you, and see you next time.